include Elk Rock State Park. To repeat, a tornado is A tornado warning remains in effect until 6:45 p.m. for southeastern Warren County. At 6:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 8 miles south of Indianola, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Milo, Lacona, Sandyville, and Otter Creek County Parks. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning remains in effect until 6:45 p.m. for the following county: Warren, Iowa. A tornado warning remains